Hey guys, Jeff, the driving instructor here. Got another student taking her test. Previously failed 3 times for various reasons, mainly test anxiety. Today she has a different attitude. Whatever happens, happens. She's going to do the best she can, but if she doesn't pass, no big deal. She'll just reschedule. And that's a great attitude to have if you have test anxiety. Take the pressure off yourself. Well, stay tuned. Let's see what happens.
Turn on your headlights for overcast. Leave it on. Test your windshield wipers on low. Leave your headlights on for overcast. Off the, yep,
Off.
windshield wipers off, sorry. Okay. Step on your brake. Off the brake. Left speed. Right speed. Alright.
Do you want me to turn off the headlight or no?
Yeah, leave your headlights on
Okay.
because it is overcast.
Okay.
Do you have any questions for rules of the road?
You know what? It's my fourth take already, so I'm kind of nervous still.
Gotcha.
But I have a huge favor for you, Mr. Brian.
Go ahead.
Because when I'm, what do you call this, nervous,
Okay.
sometimes I can't hear
Okay.
clearly. So if you can just louder your voice when you
Sure.
give me an instruction.
No problem.
Thank you.
No problem.
Oh, I have a question for you,
Go
Mr.
ahead.
Ryan.
Go
So
ahead.
just in case it will gonna rain while I'm doing my drive test, and we have what do you call this? Miles per hour to do, right? So like if it's 45 and if it's like raining and it's kind of slidey, should I just like how slow should I go?
I can't tell you how slow you should go. I could
Uh-huh.
only tell you that you're welcome to adjust if you're not comfortable
Okay.
in that speed.
I
Okay?
have to
That
fix
matches.
that.
Yes, you do.
Yeah. Hold on.
Actually, that work?
I hope it
I
won't.
hope it stays as well.
Oh my gosh.
Boy, Jeff really wants you to test, huh?
I know, right? Like, come on, Jeff.
You ready?
I'm already nervous.
All right, when you're ready, back up, head out to your left. Sure. How long have you been in Vegas?
I moved here 2022.
Okay.
And
From
then
where?
I tested, but it was because of my husband. I didn't do like any driving school
Right,
here.
okay.
And of course, in the Philippines, it's different.
Ah,
It's
right,
way
right.
different, I
Very
swear.
different.
So it's just my husband. I said, no, not you anymore.
That's normal.
Said, no, not you anymore.
Right?
Let me
That's
do.
normal.
And then, things happened. I had my major surgery. So I had to wait for 2 years.
Yeah. Best you come out when you're ready and safe, right?
Go park. Hopefully that rain.
I know, right?
It's not my car.
45. When it's safe, change lanes to your left. Coming up, we're going to turn left into this street where these tall palm trees are. Stop sign ahead, turn right. Safe, change lanes to your left. Coming up, we're going to turn left into this first street.
Seems that I'm sweating.
Turn right at the stop sign.
Oh, did Jeff turn off? Oh my god, Jeff. It's killing me. Like, I never get sweaty. Oh my gosh.
At the stop sign, turn right. Like he just wants to sit there.
I know. Like, are you doing U-turn or am I doing right? Because I'm sweating. Oh my gosh, Jeff. Why did you
So do you know what the actual rule is in that situation?
So on that
Yeah.
on that area, so I have to wait. If I'm turning right, I have to wait because it's not on my, like, I'm not on the right. Like, it should, I
Correct.
just should have waited if should be like doing U-turn left, but I was like trying to look at him and
Right.
maybe like, do you want to do
He's
U-turn?
yeah, he should actually have
Look
the
right away.
intention to turn.
Exactly.
But if he looks like he's just sitting there,
I know.
what are you
so I
gonna
was
do?
like, you're not looking at
then
me.
he's giving up his right to
Yeah,
go.
because I have the space here already.
Right.
So I said, do I need to, or you
By
just
the book,
It
you're
should be-
supposed to be waiting for him.
We're eating for him, right? But I tried to wait for him,
Yeah.
but then he was not looking at me like, should I supposed to do wait here and?
So he hesitated.
Yeah.
Turn right at the traffic.
I'm sweating already. I don't know why.
There you go.
I think he turned it off.
Better?
Yes, Brian. Thank you. Better.
Change lanes to your left when it's safe.
Thought it will rain today. I was like, I'm so
I
nervous.
was expecting it to the rain
Right?
since the 7 this morning.
Because it says it will rain like what? As early as 7 or 8
Yeah,
a.m.?
7 this morning.
Like, please,
Lucky you.
I know. That's like, let me do my drive test, please. I just want to pass this time.
At the traffic light, turn left. I've seen people though when it's raining or it's really hard rain, they're like, you know what, can I cancel? We're like, okay.
I know, right? But you know, I already did the schedule already for like a month already.
Yeah.
So I said, you know what? Let me finish this.
Here you go.
I just want me, you, and everyone safe.
That's it.
That's it.
Good. What do you do?
I'm a nurse. That's why.
Of course you're a nurse.
And I'm a rehabilitation nurse.
Oh,
So I have a
gotcha.
lot of patients who are in MBA.
Right.
And you know what? I said, you know what? If I'm not going to pass this test, it's okay.
Right.
Right? I think because I don't know if what's your religion, but if it's not for me yet,
Right.
not
it's
for me
not
yet.
hidden.
Yeah, it's not the
God
end.
will let you know when you're ready.
Exactly.
Yes.
So I said, as long as I'm safe, you are safe, we both, and everyone's are safe.
Absolutely, I believe in that.
I think I'm fine.
Right. All right, turn left back into the DMV parking.
Oh. So yeah, I'm a rehabilitation nurse.
Oh, gosh.
So I have a lot of MBA patients as young as 16 years old. And they're what? Tetraplegic already. They can't walk anymore.
Gotcha.
I know. So I said, you know what? It's okay. If I'm safe, everyone's safe.
That's right. So what is your husband?
He's an emergency nurse. That's why he said, you know what he said to me? Because I got discouraged when I didn't pass my test. Yeah. But you know what he said? Maybe it's not your time. It's okay.
Yeah.
I was like, I know, right? I mean, yeah.
Left back to the front. Is he at St. Rose?
No, he's in a UMC.
UMC.
Trauma.
Oh my goodness. He really wants all the action.
Oh yeah, he loves action. Me in a rehab, so we have different kind of patients. So we have amputee patients.
He runs on adrenaline.
Oh yes, he loves that. But you know, it's just when you see your patient, it's hard. So that's why I said, you know what? I just don't want to push things if it's not meant.
Down to the end. Turn left. Hopefully the parking we were in before is open. And it is.
Oh, yeah.
Any spot, your choice.
Okay.
of your test do you think you had errors and mistakes you can identify?
I think I signaled early and turned late.
Turn late. Which one?
I think there's like twice or three times.
No, you're fine there. So when you had early merge, so you change lanes into the middle lane for your turn lane, okay? Those dots are open up for you. That's where your entry is, okay? You know which one I'm talking about?
I think the one that
Right behind this. Okay? This is your entry. Okay? We don't want to get in way back here.
Oh, okay, yeah.
This is your entry there. Same number.
So I have to wait here.
Yeah, just go in if it's open. The only time you come in early is if there's
cars
backed up all the way.
Okay.
Yeah. 98%, you have two more mistakes. That's all.
Am I back?
Good job.
No way!
Yes.
No way!
Yeah,
no way!
Okay, we
Oh
can
my god,
change
now
it.
I'm crying. No, seriously.
The driving test is important, but if you don't pass the first time, you can always reschedule. So don't take it so seriously. If you like this type of video, please like, subscribe, sign up for notifications. Thanks for supporting the channel.